The PTA program is a 2-year program. We have a selective admissions process, so you have to apply to the program and be accepted. Students in the PTA program will work on how to work in all different types of settings. So in the rehab setting in acute care, for example in a hospital, they'll learn how to get a patient in and out of bed, how to get them from the bed to the wheelchair. They'll teach them how to walk with crutches on stairs or a walker on level surfaces. They'll also work and learn hands-on techniques on how to test range of motion, which you will do primarily in an outpatient setting. How to do vital signs, how to take heart rate, how to take blood pressure for those patients that have cardiopulmonary disease processes.
Hands out.
PTA students can work with pediatric patients as well as elderly.
Sit on it.
So we have some pediatric equipment here in the program to help give them a more hands-on and a more realistic idea of what it's like in the clinic working with pediatrics. It's important to have a balance between lab and lecture time because you learn the information in lecture, but you carry it into lab. That's how you actually learn the hands-on techniques, and that's when it really makes sense to students, when the light bulb comes on, when they figure out, oh, this is how you treat the patient and this is why it works.
What I enjoy the most is the hands-on learning. There's a lot of hands-on learning. We'll sit in lecture for a little bit, and then we'll come to the labs, and then we'll actually get to apply everything that we were learning in lecture.
So our instructors in the program have over 50 years of clinical and teaching experience combined between the three of us. We can break down the labs into smaller groups, so there's a lot more hands-on and one-on-one, better teacher-student ratio.
The teachers get in there, they'll show you, and then you're able to do it, so it's a lot of interaction.
The faculty and instructors here are very good. For me as a non-traditional student, definitely helps push you and drive you.
Each class really becomes a family because they spend so much time together, teaching, learning, working together.
I'd say this whole program is just like a family.
Because we're a family, we care about their success in the program.